After transforming electric vehicles, renewable energy, and space exploration, Tesla has introduced something truly unexpected: the Tesla Smart TV 2025. This new product doesn't just push the limits of technology, it takes the market by surprise with a mind-blowing price of under $157. It's hard to believe, isn't it? Behind the scenes, Tesla is already implementing a production and distribution strategy that's putting competitors on edge. Could this be the next big revolution in tech, following the footsteps of Tesla's groundbreaking vehicles? What makes this design so special? What's behind such an unbelievably low price? And where is production right now? Let's explore these questions in today's video. At first glance, the Tesla Smart TV 2025 stands out because of its incredible design, which completely reshapes the way we think about modern home entertainment. Its ultra slim profile, tapering to just 4 mm at its thinnest point, is not only an impressive engineering feat, but it also makes a bold statement in a market where other models like Samsung's Q90C and LG OLED G3 typically have thicknesses of 25 ME and 20 MES, respectively. The nearly invisible bezels, which measure just one minimum, help create an immersive viewing experience that rivals the frameless designs of high-end OLED TVs. It also sets a new standard for minimalism in design. Made from 85% recycled aluminum alloy and tempered glass, the Tesla Smart TV mirrors the sleek, durable, and elegant design philosophy of Tesla's vehicles. The choice of materials not only enhances the TV's durability, but also highlights Tesla's commitment to sustainability. Many competitors, such as Sony's A95L, often rely on plastic casings that, while cost-effective, lack the premium feel and environmental care seen in Tesla's model. The inclusion of tempered glass further boosts the TV's resistance, making it less likely to scratch or get damaged compared to traditional materials, all while adding a glossy finish that improves its overall look. The display technology in the Tesla Smart TV sets a new benchmark for visual excellence, making it a real leader in the market. Powered by next-generation 8K micro-LED technology, the screen achieves an incredible peak brightness of 2500 nits, easily surpassing LG's signature ZX OLED, which peaks at 1000 nits, and Samsung's QN900C, which is rated at 2000 nits. This brightness ensures that viewers get crystal clear images even in brightly lit rooms where traditional OLEDs sometimes struggle with glare. The contrast ratio of 1,000,000:1 delivers extraordinary depth and dynamic range, far surpassing the 500,000:1 ratio typically seen in high-accent QLED models. This allows for a viewing experience that's not only immersive, but vibrant. With a resolution of 7,680 by 4,320 pixels, the Tesla Smart TV offers 4 times the clarity of 4K displays, delivering razor-sharp visuals for even the finest details. Its HDR Pro Max system achieves a color accuracy of delta E less than 1, a standard typically seen only in professional-grade monitors, making the colors appear incredibly lifelike and consistent from all viewing angles. This is especially evident in darker environments where traditional LED displays often struggle with blooming and color distortion. Tesla's micro LED panels further surpass competitors, boasting 30% better energy efficiency and a 20% higher pixel density than Samsung's flagship QN900C. These improvements not only enhance the viewing experience, but also increase the light span of the display to an industry-leading 100,000 hours, nearly double the 600,000 hour average light span of premium OLED TVs. Additionally, Tesla incorporates advanced heat dissipation technology, ensuring the display remains cool even during extended use. This is especially important for maintaining long-term performance in high-brightness panels. By combining unmatched brightness, precision color reproduction, and exceptional durability, Tesla's 8K micro-LED technology creates a display experience that truly sets a new bar for what consumers can expect from a smart TV. The Tesla Smart TV isn't just a TV, it comes with unique features that elevate it even further. The Tesla AI personal assistant uses advanced neural networks to suggest content based on your viewing habits, with 95% accuracy thanks to its machine learning algorithms. Its AI driven interface supports seamless navigation with response times under 10 milliseconds, far quicker than the 50 milliseconds typically seen in competing models. The TV also supports multilingual voice control in over 20 languages, including real-time translation, making it easy for users across the globe to operate the TV. Fully integrated with Tesla's ecosystem, users can monitor and manage their Tesla vehicles, Powerwall systems, or solar roofs directly from the TV. What's more, with Starlink satellite internet built in, the Tesla Smart TV provides high-speed connectivity of up to 1 Gbps without relying on traditional fiber optic networks. This Starlink connection outperforms many competitors that require external dongles or offer slower broadband speeds. Additionally, its low latency Starlink connection supports 8K streaming and real-time gaming, setting a new standard in entertainment technology. This combination of a premium design, groundbreaking display quality, and exclusive Tesla features transforms the way we think about smart TVs, making it a game-changing force in home entertainment. Now, the price of the Tesla Smart TV is one of its most astonishing aspects. With a starting price just under $157, it's causing waves in the industry, making it clear that premium technology doesn't have to come at a sky-high price. At this price, Tesla's revolutionary TV undercuts even mid-range 4K models from brands like Sony and Samsung, which typically start at $600 to $1,000 for similar sizes. Tesla's Smart TV will be available in several sizes, ranging from 55-inch to 85-inch, with prices scaling proportionally. The 55-inch model will keep the price under $157, while the 65-inch version is expected to be around $399, and the flagship 85-inch version is projected to cost under $999. Now, this is a stark contrast to LG's Signature X, which starts at $3,999 for the same size. These prices challenge traditional pricing structures, particularly for 8K displays, which are usually priced much higher. How does Tesla manage to offer such disruptive pricing? The answer lies in Tesla's mastery of large-scale manufacturing and vertical integration. By leveraging its existing gigafactories, Tesla has revolutionized the production of key components, including its custom-designed AI processor, the Tesla Neural Core V2. This advanced processor is built using a 7-nanometer process, delivering up to 20 trillion operations per second, ensuring smooth AI-driven functions like adaptive content suggestions, voice recognition, and real-time streaming optimization. By handling these processes in-house, Tesla reduces reliance on third-party suppliers and cuts costs by up to 40%. Compared to outsourcing, which generally involves higher margins and logistical complications. Tesla's proprietary software also plays a major role in cost efficiency. TV's operating system, built on Tesla's robust platform architecture, integrates AI algorithms that are optimized specifically for Tesla hardware. This eliminates the need for expensive third-party licensing fees, which can cost up to $50 per unit in traditional models. Furthermore, Tesla's software design allows for over-the-air OTA updates, reducing the need for costly physical upgrades and increasing product longevity, a major advantage over competing smart TVs. Now, another key cost-saving factor is Tesla's humanoid robot, Optimus, which automates labor-intensive tasks in production. It's estimated that Optimus can perform repetitive assembly tasks at a fraction of the cost of human labor, with projections suggesting a 30% reduction in labor expenses across the gigafactories. For example, while traditional assembly lines may incur labor costs of $100 per unit, Optimus integration could reduce this to about $70 per unit, significantly boosting efficiency. Moreover, Optimus's AI capabilities allow for quick adaptation to new production requirements, reducing downtime and increasing throughput. Tesla's direct-to-consumer D2C model also contributes to its cost efficiency. By selling exclusively through its online platform, Tesla bypasses traditional retail channels and avoids the 20-30% markup that typically goes to distributors and retailers. This approach not only simplifies the supply chain, but also ensures price transparency for consumers. Tesla's gigafactories also provide significant economies of scale. For example, a gigafactory dedicated to smart TV production is projected to produce over 500 units per month using automated assembly lines and advanced robotics to minimize labor cost. This kind of output drastically reduces production costs compared to competitors that rely on outsourced assembly processes. This combination of aggressive pricing, cutting-edge technology, and strategic cost reductions makes the Tesla Smart TV 2025 an unbeatable value. Tesla's ambitious manufacturing and distribution plan is set to revolutionize the global TV market. The manufacturing will take place in gigafactories in Texas and Berlin using the latest automation and robotics to achieve peak efficiency. Tesla aims to produce an extraordinary 5 million units in the first year alone, beginning in Q1 2025. This output far exceeds the production of traditional TV manufacturers whose high-input 500s typically reach 1 to 3 million units annually. For comparison, Samsung's flagship Neo QLED series produced approximately 3 million units globally in 2023. Tesla's goal nearly doubles this figure, signaling its intention to dominate the market. The secret to this massive output lies in Tesla's advanced production methods. For instance, Gigafactory tech will include over 150 fully automated assembly lines capable of producing a smart TV every 45 seconds, with full production ramp-up expected by the end of Q2 to The Berlin factory, integrated with Tesla's Optimus robots, will achieve labor cost reductions of up to 70% compared to traditional assembly methods, making production highly efficient and cost-efficient. Tesla's distribution strategy is equally ambitious. The initial rollout will target major markets such as the US, Europe, and China, which together account for over 60% of global smart TV sales. Within the first 6 months of production, Tesla aims to capture 15% market share in these regions, supported by a robust online sales platform. Unlike competitors like LG and Sony, which rely on large retail networks, Tesla's direct-to-consumer approach allows for quicker delivery times and eliminates intermediary markups. In fact, while traditional TV manufacturers often have a 6-week lead time for delivery during peak seasons, Tesla's logistics infrastructure, powered by AI, will enable them to fulfill orders within just 3-7 days, starting in Q2 2025. The second phase of the distribution plan will target emerging markets in Southeast Asia, Latin America, and parts of the Middle East, where high-expense smart TV sales are growing rapidly. By 2026, Tesla expects its smart TV to be available in over 50 countries, with cumulative sales surpassing 10 million units. This would solidify its place as a disruptive force in the global smart TV industry. In summary, the Tesla Smart TV 2025 brings together cutting-edge design, groundbreaking technology, and an unbeatable price, positioning it as a revolutionary force in the market. And Tesla's unique manufacturing and distribution strategies will ensure that premium entertainment becomes accessible to millions around the world. What do you think about Tesla's entry into the smart TV market? Would you consider buying a Tesla Smart TV at its unbelievable price? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to AutoFusion, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Inside.